Paano po if more than one ang client? Paano po siya sa tax? I-file po pareho. Very common naman po na 2 or more clients sa freelancing. And yes, ipa-file po natin lahat ng income natin sa lahat ng clients natin. Income from client 1 plus income from client 2. Kung ano po yung total, yun po yung ipa-file mo or ire-report mo sa income tax return mo at doon magbe-base yung tax mo. Also, since quarterly po ang pag-file ng income tax return, 4 times a year ka po magpa-file kay BIR.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.